Hello and welcome to Kuma's Kitchen, and tonight what we've got here is chicken jambalaya with cheese. Why cheese, you might ask? Because cheese, I might answer. Everything's better with cheese. And it just, because the jambalaya is nice and hot in the pot, and then you add the cheese and it just melts through there. In this case, I've used mozzarella. You could use any other cheese too that melts nicely. And oh yeah, you got the smoky sausages in there, so you get that little bit of smoky flavor coming from them. Paprika, adding more of that flavor, and then a piece of chicken, rice. The rice cooks in here. It all cooks in one pot. That's the beauty of it. Yeah, it's just like boom, one pot, you're done. Great. That's the kind of working day meals we like. Hey, I've been working all day today. Came home, whipped this up, and filmed it at the same time. Doesn't take long. Let's go in the kitchen and make some of this right now. All right, for our chicken jambalaya with cheese, here are the ingredients. So across the front, we've got our seasonings, which is 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt. Then here we've got a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Over here, 1 cup of uncooked rice. In this case, it's my Japanese short grain, but actually long grain is even better, but I can't get long grain. I just end up with short grain. 1 onion, chopped. 2 red bell peppers, chopped. This one's a little bit big, but that doesn't matter. Just roughly chop them. Here, this is 12 ounces, it's the same, 3/4 of a pound, 12 ounces of smoky sausages, and that's 12 ounces or 340 grams. That's about 6 sausages, fat ones like this, and just sliced. Over here, 1 can of canned tomatoes, the chopped type. Over here, 1 pound of chicken, or 450 grams of chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. Over here, we have 2 cups of chicken stock. And then I've got here is 8 ounces or 230 grams of mozzarella cheese grated. All right, let's get the olive oil going. I'm using the big pot here. I want to be able to simmer this in here after. So this is the perfect, it's got that good thick bottom to it. It distributes heat nicely. This is the one that was given to me. Fantastic, I love it. Suet was the company that gave it to me. And they sell these on Amazon, actually. And I just love it because these handles never get hot, which always just surprises me, because it's like, whoa, even after it's been cooking for a long time, I can grab those handles. Okay, so get the olive oil heated up. I want to throw in the onion. And I was going to add in the salt. I always like to add in salt early in the cooking because you want it to get into the flavors. All right, and then I'm just going to cook that onion, stirring it occasionally, about 5 to 8 minutes, roughly around there. I just want to soften it up a bit, and then we're going to add some more ingredients. So see you back here in 5 to 8 minutes. All right, that onion's softened up a bit, even getting just a little bit of browning there. So now, in go the sausages, in goes the chicken. We want to add in the paprika, sprinkle that over it, and the oregano. Now what I'm going to do, stir this around. I'm going to cook this for another 5 to 8 minutes. Want to brown up that chicken a bit, brown up those sausages a bit. Let's get a lot of flavor in there. All right, now we'll be back. Did you notice the beauty of this? All going to be made in one pot. Yeah, I know certain people, right, Jeanette, who love my one-pot dishes. All right. So do I. Let's clean up. All right. See you back here in 5 to 8 minutes. All right, look at that. We got some nice color in there, and you can smell in the air. So what do I do now? Well, toss that rice in there. I like to always toss the rice in first, just give it a little stir around, and then we can toss in the liquids. So let's get the tomatoes in there. All right, give that a little stir around. Ooh, that's gonna be so good. And then, let's turn those off. That was a little noisy. And then we get the red bell peppers in there. Mix those throughout. And now, gonna add that chicken stock. And I'm gonna cook that covered, just gently simmering away for 20 minutes. Should have the cover here. There it is. I knew I was near, so somewhere nearby. Put that cover on. Bring that up to a simmer. Simmer that for 20 minutes. When we come back here, we're going to add in that mozzarella cheese. And then it's dinner time. All right. See you in 20. All right. That's been simmering away in there for 20 minutes. Every once in a while, every few minutes or so, I just go in there and scrape anything up off the bottom, because you know the rice will cook to the bottom sometimes a bit, so you just kind of stir around a bit, and look at that. The liquid has been absorbed by the rice, so you just got this beautiful, well, jambalaya. Stir that around. I'm going to take that off the heat now, and in goes the mozzarella. Now, yeah, you can eat it just like that. It's fantastic. I don't know, this just, to me, adds extra kick. In goes the mozzarella. Oh yeah. And gotta stir that in a bit. That's so hot. We don't need to turn the heat on anymore. That's gonna melt. Oh yeah, it's melting already. So just gotta stir it through, and that's it. Little strings of mozzarella through there. So look at that. You see the mozzarella? Yeah, that's gonna be delicious tonight. All right, if you like this recipe, stick around. There's, I don't know how many hundreds of them on here now on the YouTube channel. Been doing this for years. New one coming up every week. They're all original Kevin Riley Kuma's Kitchen recipes. And make sure if you're new here or you haven't yet done so, do subscribe, because and do click that notification bell, because you don't want to be missing these interesting recipes coming out all the time. Who knows which one you're gonna love. So now go make this cheesy chicken jambalaya. Look at that. Oh, that is absolutely fantastic. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.